We've all been there, sweating over a hot stove, scrambling to get dinner on the table, and wondering, why does cooking have to feel so hard? But what if I told you there are simple hacks that can save you time, reduce stress, and make cooking not just easier, but downright fun? That's exactly what we're diving into in today's video. Let's face it, kitchen struggles are real. You know the drill. Food storage disasters. Hello, leftover science experiments. Hours of meal prep, only for those perfectly stacked containers to hog all your fridge space. And don't get me started on that one dish you've tried to perfect 1,000,000 times, but somehow it never turns out right. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? Let's kick things off with our first hack. Binder clips. The ultimate secret weapon. I know what you're thinking. Binder clips? Seriously? But trust me, these little office supplies are absolute game changers. Clip them onto your cabinet shelves, and boom! You've got instant storage for chip bags, snack pouches, or even cooking utensils. It's genius! Say goodbye to cluttered countertops, and hello to kitchen bliss. Now, let's talk about the humble silicone spatula. This isn't just a tool, it's your kitchen sidekick. Use it to scrape every last bit of batter. No waste. Spread ingredients evenly. Perfect pancakes, anyone? Flip delicate foods like eggs without breaking a sweat. And the best part, it's heat resistant, dishwasher safe, and built to last through the toughest kitchen challenges. But wait, this next hack might just change your life. A well-stocked pantry. Think of it as your very own culinary emergency kit. By keeping a few key ingredients on hand, pasta, canned tomatoes, spices, you can whip up a delicious meal in minutes, even on those days when you think you have nothing to cook. It's like having a kitchen superhero ready to save the day. Now, are you ready for the hack that's going to blow your mind? It's the concept of mise en place, a fancy French term that means everything in its place. Here's the deal. Before you even think about turning on the stove, prep all your ingredients, measured, chopped, and ready to go. Why? It saves you time. It reduces stress. And your dishes? They'll turn out more polished, more professional, and downright delicious. Once you try mise en place, you'll never cook the same way again. These hacks aren't just about saving a few minutes here and there. They're about giving you a complete kitchen overhaul, making you feel empowered, confident, and excited to cook again. Here's the big question. Which hack are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. I want to hear all about your kitchen